restarted the stream. Let's see what happens here. Steve's stream restarted. Um, anyway, um, it's Friday. Happy Friday, everyone. Let's get down to business here with the market this morning. A risk-off sentiment across the board. The market, the U.S. indices are lower. There are some concerns that this package, the stimulus package, may not pass today. The U.S. House of Representatives is expected to start debating it and doing a voice vote this morning. The U.S. has surpassed China, China, to be the number one coronavirus, to have the number one coronavirus cases. Uh, and there are indications that there are a lot of problems with supplies and hospitals and so on. There are a lot of cities, including Chicago, are turning convention centers into a critical care unit to handle the inflow. You know, God help us all, I guess. Hopefully, you're all healthy and are exercising social distancing and sanitizing and avoiding touching your face and all the good stuff that's been recommended now for some time. China is reaching out to the U.S. to ask for better relations. U.S. lawmakers are pushing the Trump administration to put off the tariff collections for 90 days. And that's where the market stands currently. Market's a little bit off, but we've rallied quite a bit over the last couple of days, and it is expected that we would pull back. We are actually trading inside of Wednesday's range at this point, at the lower end of yesterday's range in the S&Ps. The Euro stocks are way off, down 4.15%. Those of you who want the Periscope link, if you want to go catch it there, here it is. Hang on, let me give you the Periscope link. Here's the Periscope link. You can catch it there. Their network seems to be working okay. Try that link, please. Yeah, it seems to be running just fine. Um, the Euro stocks are weak. The Russell, the small caps are very weak today, down 4.1%. The DAX is down 3.69%. Crude has pushed through the $22 handle again. It's trading at 21.80, down 80 cents, 3.54%. The S&P down 87 points, or 3.35%. Gold is off, pushing towards the 1600 century figure again. Down $28.80 or 1.74%, trading at 16.22 and 20 cents. The leader today is the Bund. Up 1.46 handles, 146 ticks today, pretty strong, almost up 1% on the futures prices. Bonds are up a handle and 12 ticks. So that's where we stand there. Looking at the calendar, we had personal spending from the U.S. this morning, came in slightly lower on personal spending. Personal income came in slightly stronger, um, and came in at 0.6 versus 0.3. And we do have Michigan sentiment final at 10 o'clock Eastern, which is not a real big mover. And then from there, we're pretty much done. Fed's Bostic speaking at 2 o'clock. The thing to pay attention to, is the vote in the U.S. House for the stimulus. This is what the market's likely to respond to. So that's where we stand this morning. Well, that's what we have that is scheduled. Let's take a look at what we covered yesterday in our review segment. Yesterday, I think my expectations were too tempered. Uh, were too tempered, and we ended up playing out somewhat of a scenario too. The market was really bullish yesterday, and pushing through. It pushed over 2,600. Both of these scenarios were off. These scenarios were given the drop from the prior session, given where we ended up in the um, release of the historic job claims number, jobless claims number. My expectation is that we would likely be have an inside day, if not sell off. But that's not how the market saw it. Apparently, 3.283 million initial claims was much better than what the market anticipated. And therefore, it was bullish. That the market's basically pricing out the bad news. I'm going to shut off the stream to YouTube.